You want to put his hat on for Mommy? Where's his hat? Here, put his hat on. You know how to do that.
Quit texting while we're all staring at the baby.
You're just changing the diaper.
You need to watch. In case the poopy is a certain color, you need to be observant.
She's already told me that it's black, like tar.
Where do you put your baby's hats on? That's how you put his hat on. Okay. Should we fix his blankie? Hold on. He's going up. One second. Okay.
Hold on.
Just wait a
Wrap
second.
him up, wrap him up.
This is how you're going to be until you up here. He's crying. How much did you eat today yet? I thought.
She was trying to eat rice with a fork when I picked it up.
Hold on. He's really mad at that. Eating his circumcised.
I'm gonna get up on the bed a little more.
Up closer to Mama. Baby brother Matthew. Baby Matthew. It looks like you right there. Let me see. Nope, Mommy, you'll pick him up. What do you want? You want him in the bed? Okay. Rose is taking a picture. Okay, right? Ready? You want a blanket? Do you want to throw the diaper away in the trash for baby brother? Go throw it in the trash.
Don't eat it. Good girl. Let's take baby brother home then.
There's another one. Look, there's another dirty one. Another one. Throw it in the trash. That was the wet one.
Thank you.
Good girl. Those are his diapers. Those are clean. Those aren't trash. Those are the bulbs. Suction bulbs.
Love those.
Smile. Which one? What do you gotta say? And what do you want? Please.
Please.
That's the girl. You ready to hold him again? Please. Let me get him.
Oh man. Mommy, good baby.
Mommy's trying to cover so much flash family. Hold you. Got your arms up. You take it off. Take it off. I like these, but then I don't like these gowns that open in the front. Keep my belly covered. Been practicing with her dolls.
What did you say?
Did you taste it? Yeah, he's too little for it. It's still too little, too big for him. He didn't really like it yet.
It was like pushing on his eye. His little finger.
Don't shove it in his mouth.
Like, no,
Hey.
this is a real baby.
You're not gonna listen. You're gonna get spanking. That's your baby brothers. Other way, hon. You know which way it goes. You might not want it. He doesn't want it.
Be nice to baby brother.
You rock him.
When he gets older, he will beat you up.
That's his hands.
If you're not nice, he will. Up? Yes. Okay, what are you doing? Fluffing the pillow up? Getting comfy?
Are you scared? No, I'm just scared of Naomi.
Naomi's gonna have a pitch fit. She thinks it's her new toy.
Hey, Rose is holding baby brother. You want to open baby brother's present for him? What's it?
Oh,
How she whines.
oh, there you go. Let's see what baby brother got.
What's in there?
Nice diversion tactic, Lydia.
Yeah. Oh, what is that? Oh, those are cute. What are those? What is this? Dinosaur. That's good. That's right.
Die do.
Dinosaur. Good try. What's this?
Dinosaurs.
Crab. That is so cute. Nice. What about newborn? Big for newborn.
There she comes.
Friend, one of my coworkers came by last night and got him. Wasn't that one of the ones?
There's a theme with the colors.
Yeah, I know. The blue, green, striped.
She just wants to hold him all the time.
I don't remember Lydia being that interested in Chloe. I was older than her. You were older than, and you had all your cousins' attention.
And she was mean and pretty egoistic and didn't care about anything but herself.
Crazy.
It's all about you and your career at that age.
Leave him covered, honey. Naomi, he's
cold.
Baby brother covered. He's cold.
Hey, if you don't be still
You gotta be still.
So happy.
As long as she gets to hold the baby the whole time, she'll be happy.
Well, it's whatever she gets.
Everybody else wants to hold him too, but they're not pitching fit.
Wants what she wants.
We blame Mama for you being spoiled. Hey, baby. Come here. Alright, I'm gonna turn this camera off and we'll straighten you out.
You can hold the baby. Just sit still.
Trauma. She is. Like I said, she's gonna come in
Oh
here.
my gosh, I'm not mean.
I told you she would say that too. It's a trick. Watch out. You better stop crying.
Naomi.
Oh gosh. Shoots?
I took them off.
Where are you going? You're afraid of shoes? Where are your shoes?